In this video, I'll show you how to create a real courier tracking number in under minutes and how to launch your own logistics and cargo delivery website that can compete with big courier companies. Okay? So now first of all, I'm going to be taking you through the system. I'm going to take you through what the website looks like, I'm going to take you through the front page, and then also I'm going to show you what a user sees when they track an ID. The next, I'm going to show you the admin dashboard, how an admin can actually create several tracking IDs of their own different details, okay? Also next, I'm going to show you how you can set up this software on your own system in less than real time. Okay? Check the description below so you can access the software. So now stay with me as I take you through this process. First of all, I'm going to be showing you the home page, and you can see the home page is beautifully and perfectly done. And if you're serious about building online businesses that actually make money, subscribe right now. I post practical, straight-to-the-point tutorials that you can apply immediately. So, as a non-developer, you do not really need to stress yourself trying to come up with contents, pictures, and all that. You can see that this template has already been beautifully designed for you, and it is ready to go. But as a developer, if you choose to change the front end, that can also easily be done with little or no stress. Okay? So now, let's go through the front page. This is the home page. So I'm going to take you to the About Us page. You see, this is the About Us page. You see all the contents has already been filled in as it should be. I'm going to take you to the Services page. I'm going to show you the pictures, the services that we offer, and all that. Okay? It even has a section for FAQ. So everything is perfectly done. So now we're going to go straight to the tracking page, and I'm going to track a package with Track ID. I'm going to show you how a user sees a package. Okay? So I'm just going to fill in my tracking ID right here. I'm going to click on Track. Perfect. Perfect. You can see I'm tracking shipments. You can also print your invoice. Okay? I can actually print my invoice right here. All I have to do is click on Save. I'm just going to save straight to my device. Okay? Now, this is the tracking invoice. You can see the details from the sender, the sendee. You can also see a barcode with the track ID right here. You can see the order ID. You can see estimated delivery dates. You can see payments method, mode of transfer. Every little detail has been set up perfectly. So now, let's go back and let's actually see. You see it also has a current location of map. So whatever location you put for that particular parcel, it's always going to show up on the map, okay? So whatever location you put up on the parcel, it shows up on the map. You see the sender's details, you see the receiver's details, you see the content of shipments, the laptop, you see an image for the shipment. Now, this is sending the client that this is what is inside the shipment that has been sent to them, okay? I see the origin area, you see this destination area. You also see your delivery dates, and you see every little updates that the admin does. It shows up here. So this update was done on March 21st, and this was done on March 28th. So if I make another update, it's going to show up on top. Okay? So now you see it's actually very, very robust, and it's actually very easy to understand. So up next, I'm going to be taking you straight to the admin dashboard so I can show you how an admin can actually create a new tracking ID, how they can fill in their details, how they can delete, how they can update, and how they can also manage their websites from the admin dashboard. Okay? Perfect. Now, this is the admin dashboard. Okay? Let me get back to the dashboard. Now, this is the admin dashboard. You can see the different packages that are the different track IDs that I'm actually creating right here. Now I can easily go and I can create a new one. I can update one that I've already created before. I can delete, I can copy, and I can view details and updates, okay? And I can also print receipts if I want to do that, okay? Now, so let's go and let's create a new tracking ID and let's see the process. Perfect. Now, this is my track ID that it has already been generated for me, okay? So it looks like an actual track ID. So let's go. We're going to come here, we're going to put in sender's name, okay? We're going to put in sender's contact also. I'm just going to fill in dummy text here so it can be fast for this tutorial, okay? Sender's address, okay? Let's just put this right here, okay? Now, do you want the order to show as pending? Do you want to be active? Is it in transit? Is it on hold? Is there awaiting delivery? Is it delivered? So you have all these options right here, okay? We have these options right here. Okay? So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on in transit. Okay? So I'm going to say dispatch location. Dispatch location is, okay? Now, what kind of Okay, so we're going to fill in type. We're going to say yeah. Okay, what type of shipment? What type of shipment? We're going to fill in time. We're going to say yeah. Okay, so what type of shipments are we, what mode of shipments? Okay, so under type, we're going to put what type of package are we actually sending out? Okay, so I'm going to put, let's say, fragile. Okay, then carrier reference number. So I'm going to post this. So what carrier is actually carrying your parcel? Okay, so I'm going to say it's DHL. Now, what is the weight of your parcel? I'm going to say 70 kg. Now, payments mode. How do you want the person to make payments? So I'm going to say my transfer. Now, choose a package. So I'm just going to choose a picture. Sorry. So I'm just going to choose, let's say, this. Okay, perfect. And I'm going to fill in the receiver's details. Okay, so I'm going to fill in receiver status. Okay, let's leave here at you. We're going to leave in mindtest@gmail.com. Okay, so receiver's contacts, we're going to put that in. Receiver's address, let's say I want to bring street. Okay, now order info for this. Now order info for destination. Where do you want this parcel to be delivered to? Okay, so I'm going to leave them now. Lagos. What is the package description? Okay, what is the package description? Okay, let's say it's a box of teacups. Okay, now what is the dispatch date? What date did this product actually leave the shipping port? Okay, so I'm going to put that as 999. Okay, that's a bit too far, so let's put in that instead. Okay, now estimated delivery dates. What date do you think this product is going to get to where it's going to? So I'm going to put this also. Now, shipment method. What was the mode of shipments? Okay, is it by air? Is it by ship? Is it by road? What is the mode of shipments? Okay, so I'm just going to say air and then quantity. How many boxes are you shipping? How many packages are you shipping? Okay, so let's say we're shipping 3 boxes of teacups. Now, what is the delivery time? So I'm just going to put this in here. Perfect, perfect. I'm going to click on add. Created successfully. So now, if I go back to my dashboard, you're going to see this is the package that we actually just created. Okay, so now let's copy that and let's track that from the front end and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so come on, now let's do that right here. So I'm just going to come here, I'm going to place this right here, I'm going to paste this right here, I'm going to click on track. Now perfect. Now you see, this is the picture that I just uploaded. This is the content of shipments, a box of teacups. You can see estimated delivery dates just as I placed it. You can see origin area. You can see there's a destination area also. You can see sender's details. You can see the receiver's details. You can see the map also. Now we're going to go straight. Now you can see that there's no updates here. Why? Because I have not done any updates on this particular tracking number. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the admin dashboard. I'm going to try to update this particular tracking number, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, perfect. Now, when you click on update, nice, nice. See, it's pending, so I can change. Okay. Now we're going to change this to, let's say, on hold. Okay, we're going to say current location. Now, where is this package currently? So let's say it's in. Okay. So always make sure whatever location you're putting is a correct location. The spelling is correct, so the map can pick it up, okay? So we're going to say on the 14th of, okay, so that was before. This is the days we're going to be using. So this is the days that you are going to see my invoice. So total, what is the amount you're asking this person to pay for this package that you are delivering, okay? So let's say 100. Do not put in a dollar sign or a euro sign or whatever. Do not put in any currency sign, okay? Just put in the Fiegel. It automatically directs to dollar, okay? So now let's say giving them a discount of 60. Tax is, okay, let's say taxes, that's a note. What is the note that you're coming with? We're going to say, okay, this is perfect. I'm going to click on update. Perfect, 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 perfect. And now I'm going to go back. I'm going to check exactly what we when this page right here, perfect. Now you see December 04th, 2024, okay? You see I said this package is currently being held by custom officials. Now you see December 04th, 2024, and the time you can see this package is currently being held by custom officials. So the more I updated, the more the updates are all going to be showing up right here, okay? And this is actually mobile responsive, so you can. So up next, we're going to go back to the admin dashboard, and I'm going to show you more things that you can do from the admin dashboard, okay? So I'm going to go to Profile. I'm going to go to Profile. Now you can see the admin. You see, About the admin has a right to change anything he or she would like in the site, okay? You can see profile details and all that. You can also come here, click on Edit Profile, and you can change your password also, okay? Now, so we're gonna go to Site Settings. Now in Site Settings, this is where you set up your site name, this is where you set up your site URL, and your email address. Now if your email address is not correct, your mails are not gonna send. Now the way this shipping software is built in using such a way that if you create a track ID, if you update a track ID, message is being sent directly to the receiver's email, okay? So yeah, when you're creating a track ID, also ensure your receiver's email is correct, okay? So it automatically sends an email to the receiver's email. Now for that to work, you have to ensure that your email address is correct, okay? Now your email address has to be an email that has been created in your cPanel. In the next session, I will show you how to set up your database and upload the software to your hosting server. So do well to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so you will be notified when I upload the next video. I am Emmanuel E.O. ENET.